Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about keyword optimization in our Google Ads. So how we can optimize our keywords for getting better performance. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm in a live campaign where I will show how I optimize keywords for getting better performance. So we can see all the metrics, necessary metrics are available here, like clicks, impressions, CTR, average CPC, cost, conversion, cost per conversion, conversion rate, and quality score. Okay. So keywords optimization varies from advertiser to advertiser. Like uh, if you want only click, then you don't need to optimize keywords. You are happy with getting clicks. But for my cases, I basically uh, optimize the keywords according to conversion and cost per conversion, and sometimes call it on quality scores and CTR also. But in most of the cases, I sort it on the basis of conversion and cost per conversion. Okay. So you can see this keyword is has got this is for last 30 days data. This keyword got 58 clicks, uh, 277 impressions, and CTR was 20.94%, which is a decent CTR. Average CPC was 44 cent, cost was $25, and it got 8 conversion. And cost per conversion was $3.20. And you can see, if you see the conversion rate, it is above 13%, almost 14%. Okay. So if you want 10% conversion rate, then you can follow this formula that I basically follow. Uh, if your keywords got 10 clicks but no conversion, then you can pause the keywords. That means if you get one conversion in 10 clicks, then you can continue. So if your conversion rate is 10%, what I basically get, I got 10 more than 10% conversion in my campaign. That's why I follow this rule. But if you want, you can follow this rule also. Okay. So what you can do, if you see your keywords are not getting conversion and you have more than 10 clicks, then you can pause the keyword from here. Okay. So let's see if I see this keyword 23 clicks and got one conversion. So I can pause this keyword. Okay. Its conversion rate is 4.35%. So what I can do, I can pause it from here as well. Okay. Or I can pause it from here as well. Okay. So yeah. And if you want other metrics, if you want to optimize your keywords with other metrics like CTR, if you want more than 10% CTR, or if you want quality score more than 7 or 8, then you can do it as per your requirements. Okay. But for me, I basically follow the metrics of conversion that actually those keywords has conversion rate over 10%. I keep those keywords and pause other keywords. Okay. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on how you can optimize your keywords for getting good performance. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, you can subscribe our channel. Okay. You have a good day then. Bye.